Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Hey everyone, so today I want to do kind of like a little unboxing. I know I've kind of, shared things on Instagram and on YouTube and stuff about like different diets that I'm doing and things like that. And while keto, a mixture of keto and intermittent fasting did help me lose my pregnancy weight from my second pregnancy, I just haven't been able to lose any since, and I still need to lose quite a chunk more. So anyway, like I've been trying keto and stuff since then. Like I lost all my pregnancy weight, which was like about 50 pounds. I lost that doing keto and intermittent fasting. But every time I've been trying to do keto since then, I just can't seem to get, like I lose 10 pounds, and then I can't stay on the diet and I quit because it's just too strict. So I've kind of been thinking about trying Weight Watchers for a while. I've never tried it before. I never really wanted to do it before because you have to pay for it. The more I thought about it and read about it, it just feels like, to me, it's not a diet. It's not, it's restrictive, obviously, because you have to be restrictive to lose weight, but you can still eat a lot of things. You just have to balance out the rest of your day and the rest of your week. So anyway, I'll talk about that more in a minute, but I've been on Weight Watchers for just a week and a half, and I've lost 4 pounds. So I signed up just, like I said, just about a week and a half ago, and at the time, they have like different plans, like they have digital plans, like digital plus like coaching, things like that, digital plus like the meetings, but I don't think they're doing meetings right now, but that's just the type of things that they offer. But I just did strictly digital for 6 months, and when I did it, when I signed up, it was the first month was free for 6 months, and then you also get this box I'm going to show you in a minute. So I got the first month for free, and the rest of the months I think are about $20 a month, and I got this box. I'll show you in just a minute. But when I just looked at it today, it looks like they're doing, if you sign up for 6 months, you get 3 free months. Wish that would have been going on when I signed up, but oh well. It is what it is. So I signed up. They have 3 different plans. I really don't know a lot about the plans because I'm very new to this. I've never done Weight Watchers before. They have they have the digital type of plans, but as far as the eating plans, they have a green, purple, and blue. And I'm doing the purple plan. I'm not really sure if there's like, the purple plan is this kind of diet or whatever, but you go through when you sign up, you like put in your height and your weight, your goal weight, what types of foods you like to eat and stuff like that. So I think they kind of pick your meal plan from that depending on what kind of foods you like to eat. So try to find one that will fit better on your diet. But you can always change the plan if you don't like it anymore. Like I could switch to like blue or green if I wanted to. But the purple plan is the one they picked me with, and I think it seems okay. So with any of the plans, they come up with a number of points based on the type of plan it is, your height and weight, your goal weight, all that stuff. So you get a daily amount of points for the foods that you eat, and then you get a weekly amount of points that are extra. Like if you go over 1 or 2 days, you can pull from your weeklies. So that's like your points for the week. So anyway, I'm not sure exactly how they come up with the points, but I know they take into account the calories, the fat, the sugar, the carbs, and the protein. So it's not just calories, it's not just carbs, it's a combination of how everything will affect your body and stuff like that. And then on each plan, you have a list of 0 points foods, so don't count. So like on the purple plan, there's like 300, I think the purple plan has the most 0 foods, but it's mostly fruits and vegetables. So other plans, I'm not sure what their 0 foods are. I haven't looked. I have, so like 0 points, some of them are like lean, skinless chicken, like lean, skinless turkey, or lean turkey, eggs. I know like plain popcorn I can have, like plain yogurt, brown rice, And then you can have like chickpea pasta or lentil pasta. Those are zeros, as well as like fruits and vegetables. But it's all like a list. You have like sweet potatoes, baked potatoes. Obviously, your butter and stuff like that would count separately, but the actual potato itself would be free points. So anyway, just kind of give you just an idea. So like, say I have a certain amount of points, like say for, I mean, you have to be, obviously don't eat fast food every day and eat bad things, but say if you do one day where you eat like, you know, fast food, most fast food meals would be all of your points for the day, if not more. So like say you ate one fast food meal where it took up like most of your points for the day, like say breakfast, say your breakfast meal you went out to eat and took up like basically all your points for the day. Obviously you need to eat the rest of the day. So what you would do is use your 0-point foods to eat the rest of the day. Like just for lunch, eat like brown rice and chicken and broccoli or something, stuff like that. So it offers flexibility. So you can, you know, have a donut here and there, or cookies, but you can't eat like a whole box of cookies. You know, you can eat like a couple, things like that. So it's just like about balance. So that's why I really am liking it so far. And I feel like, well, I signed up for 6 months, so I'm doing it anyway, but I feel like it's much easier to stick to, for me personally, because there's just flexibility in it. You know, some days you are really strict, and then some days you go over your points and you borrow from your weekly points, and it's just balancing it out. So anyway, so this is my box. I just got this like today. I'm sorry I'm so sleepy and I sound sleepy. I worked a lot of shifts this week, but I worked 3rd shift and I just woke up and I'm tired. So this is my box. I don't even know. I mean, I just ordered this, like I said, it's just been, you know, not even 2 weeks, but I'm guessing they're still doing this when you sign up for different plans. I'm not sure. So this is what I got. I got a little oven mitt, so I've got this. I got not sure what I'm going to do with these, but a giant fork and a giant spoon. I got this little like canvas bag. It says I've got this. It came with this little container. Oh, there's 2. Okay. Oh, there's something inside of here? No, there's more. Okay. So there is, these are like Tupperware cups with their measurements. This one's 1 cup. Half cup. Oh, I have 4 of these. Okay. A 1/3 cup. And 2 tablespoons. So if you're packing for lunch and stuff like that for work, that's really helpful to measure out your food, because obviously when you're counting points and things like that, you need to know how much you're eating. So that's really cute. I didn't see that at first. When I first saw it, I thought it was just the 1 cup. So it's nice that it has all those different measurements. And I do, you know, pack for work, so that's nice. So I already opened this before I did this video, but this is like a stackable lunch thing. Although, let's see, so it's got, I couldn't get my lid back on, but here's the lid to carry it. And then it's got these 2 parts. So 2 of these containers like this. Okay, so this says hand wash recommended. Do not use bleach or chlorine cleaners. Not suitable for microwave cooking or freezing. So this is just, I guess, to kind of help keep it cold, because it's like the stainless steel. Get this off. And you can stack it like that if you want to bring 2 different things or bring them separate. And it's kind of neat. So that's those. And then, okay. And then this is the Weight Watchers. It's like recipes. It says Simply 5. 125 brilliantly flavored dishes with 5 ingredients or less. That's nice. You do, like on the app and on their website, once you sign up, you can get access to like all the Weight Watchers recipes. And you can save them on your phone and stuff like that, so that's nice. But it's nice to have this one on hand, and I like that this is 5 ingredients or less, because obviously that's much easier. So, a bunch of healthy stuff in there. It's nice, and I think that's pretty much it, but they have some coupons and stuff in here. Let's see, My Weight Watchers Kickstart Guide, a toolkit to get you started on your weight and wellness journey. What's that? Let's see. Okay, so it's kind of got like meal suggestions. It says like build a meal breakfast, like kind of showing you how to use your points and stuff to build a healthy meal. Like build a meal with beans, like beans would be like your base. Build a meal lunch or dinner, and then there's build a meal with chicken, so like building a meal starting with chicken kind of thing. Like cheesy chicken nachos, feta egg and chicken salad, pesto chicken salad sandwiches. So they have a lot of suggestions, and you can still eat like a lot of things you like. You just kind of have to find the healthier versions of it, and they have a lot of recipes, and you can just kind of search on their app to see like, well, you can search on their app to see what points, you know, different things are. There's also like a barcode scanner, like you can scan the barcode of the food you're eating and it'll tell you the points for your plan in each serving, so that's really helpful. And then, oh, there's something else. I don't know, they just have a lot of recipe suggestions and stuff. So like I can still eat pasta. I mean, I can still eat pasta, but it's, you know, it's more points. But like I was saying, like I would use like chickpea pasta or lentil pasta instead. Just go light on the cheese. Like the cheese for my plan has a lot of points, which I usually eat like a lot of cheese. So that's probably been one of the hardest things so far, is like limiting my cheese, because I do like on salads and things like that, and pasta I usually eat way too much, which is something that I've thought about recently that I do need to change. But when I was doing like the keto diet, you can eat like as much cheese as you want, so it's just a little bit different. But you can figure it out, like, you know, using different kind of breads. Like instead of eating white bread, I've been using like Dave's Killer Bread. It's like 21 whole grain bread. It's, you know, only 2 points per slice, as, you know, regular bread is probably like 5 points a slice kind of thing. So you can still eat the things you like. You just kind of have to find out healthier ways to make it. Like pizza, they have recipes for pizza, different things. Or you can eat pizza, but maybe just 1 or 2 slices instead of like half a pizza. You know, or if you eat a whole lot of pizza, you just might use all your weekly points for the whole week, but you just have to be strict the rest of the week. But it's just kind of like a lot of balance, and I like that it's tracking. They have a lot of helpful tools. So this has over $40 in savings. So it's like, in the Weight Watchers store, they have a store where you can buy like, so it says over $40 in savings on products available in participating Weight Watchers studios, grocery stores, and on weightwatchers.com/shop. So yeah, they have like food and products and things on their website. So it's like buy one, get one free, crunchy snacks, 10% off of a food scale, $5 off of protein bars, stuff like that. So this is like full of coupons for that stuff, which I haven't tried any Weight Watchers stuff, but I might. Sometimes it's easier to have those things on hand. So that's what came in my box. That's just my little spiel on Weight Watchers. I do like it so far. I'm not sponsored in any way. I just figured I would share it because I've never tried it before and I never really knew a lot about it. So I think like if you're interested in trying it, maybe check out the website. You can kind of see like the different plans before you sign up. Like you can see like what kind of foods you're allowed to have and stuff like that. And get kind of a gist. I think you can even get an estimate on your points and stuff like that before you actually sign up. So if it's something you're interested in, just go in there and look at it and see. Like I said, right now they have you sign up for 6 months, you get 9 months free, which is a good deal. Or 9 months, I'm sorry. If you sign up for 6 months, you get 3 months free. And you may still get the starter kit depending on when you sign up. I'm not sure if everybody gets that or if that's like a promotion. So I just figured I'd share that with you guys. Hopefully this is helpful for somebody who might be interested in trying it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone is doing well. I know everything in the world is super crazy right now. Everyone stay safe and well and happy. I appreciate everyone so much. Check out all my links below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.